Text to columns in Microsoft Excel is a useful way to manipulate your data. Let's say that you have a column of names, and let's say you have first and last names in a single cell or a single column, and you rather have that into two separate columns, a last name column and a first name column. We can use text to columns to split that data easily. Highlight the data that you want to separate by clicking on the column header or the letter that is at the top of the column. Click the Data tab. Click the Text to Columns command, which is in the Data Tools group. In this example, we're going to choose the delimited option because we have commas separating our data. Click the Next button, and it's asking us how the data is separated, and here's where we'll choose comma. I'm going to uncheck tab, which was auto-selected, and I'm going to click Next. Now it's asking me what type of data is in my cells already. Normally, general will work for just about anything, but let's say if you had a number of columns here, you would click each column and tell Excel what type of data you have. But I'm going to leave it at general, and I'm going to click Finish. And now, instead of one column of names, I have one column that's a last name and one column that is a first name.